Hello dear students, hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we will start with a new chapter. Chapter 5, Love Your Parents. I hope you all love your parents, right? It's not always easy to be a good son or a daughter. Sometimes you have made a mistake and can't find a way to fix it. Other times, you fundamentally disagree with your parents and don't know how to approach them without starting a fight. The most important thing to remember is that while being a son or a daughter has its challenges, so does parenthood, and the best thing you can do is to give your parents your love and support. At the end of the day, the thing that will please your parents the most is to see their son or daughter growing into a happy, responsible adult. Showing love to your parents. Spend time with your parents. One of the best ways to show your parents how much you love them is to simply spend time with them. Though you may feel like you have a lot going on between school, friends, and your personal life, you should always spend quality time with your parents as often as you can. This can mean having dinner with them every night, having family board game, just hanging out around the house instead of running off to hang out with your friends. You will never know how much the time you spend with your parents means to them. Moms especially love it when their son or daughter will love them. When you do spend time with them, don't roll your eyes or act like it's mandatory. Instead, you should look forward to the special time you have together. Have routine nights where you spend time together, such as Sundays or Mondays evenings. So, you don't have to try to work the time into your busy schedule. Tell your parents what's going on in your life. Your parents love you and want to know what's going on in your life. While they may not need to know all of the daily friend drama in your social circle or the ins and outs of the baseball game you saw with your friends, they would love to know what's on your mind. From your struggles with your studies to any big problems you are having with your friends. They really do care. And even if they can't always help, they would just like to know what's happening. Your parents will feel upset if they are completely shut out of your life. Try to leave your bedroom door open as often as you can. So, you welcome your parents in to have a conversation with you when they want to. Don't make them feel like you want nothing to do with them. Don't be afraid to ask for their advice. Believe it or not, your parents were once your age and they have gone through the same struggles that you are going through. They will appreciate that you value their opinions and you may learn a lot in the process. Express gratitude. It's easy to take your parents for granted. After all, there was a time when they did absolutely everything for you, from bathing you to keeping you fed and well rested. As you grow older, it can feel natural for you to forget the fact that it takes your parents' time and effort to take care of you. And you have to remember to thank them for all that they do. Whether you verbally say thank you every time your parents do something kind for you, write them thank you card or do them favors in return. It's important to let your parents know how much you appreciate them. Don't think that it's pointless for you to write your parents a card just because you live in the same house. They will love the gesture. When you say thank you, look into your parents' eyes to show that you really mean it and that you are not just saying it because you feel obliged to say it. Do as well in school as you can. Your parents don't expect you to be a rocket scientist or to get into Stanford. However, they would be happy if you respected your teachers, did your homework, and kept your grades up to the best of your ability. If you need help in school, ask your teachers or your parents for help and make studying a priority over socializing. Not only will this set you on a path to succeed in your future, but it will be also make life much easier for your parents. The best you can do is to respect your learning institute instead of playing hooky or complaining about it all the time. Your parents should not have to force you to see the value of your education. So, I hope you will have love and respect for your parents after this value class. As a homework, you have to read the story about Shravan Kumar. Thank you and God bless you.